guys, welcome back to another cool project in React Native. So in this video, we will look about how to build a fitness application in React Native using the Expo framework. So this video is just going to be the demo of the application that we'll be building in the coming few videos. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the like button and subscribe for more such content. Yeah, so first let's go check out the demo. So we have like different fitness cards being rendered on the initial screen, as you can see. So for the tutorial purpose, I've just taken 4 fitness cards, and each of the fitness card contains like different types of exercises in it. So let's go check out the first one. Let's say this one. And as you can see, we have different types of exercises for this. That is the full body workout. So the way this works is, so if I press on the start button, we will get the first exercise that it contains, that is jumping jacks. So we have to like perform the exercise by looking at the GIF, and then we need to manually select the done button. So if I do this, we will take a break of let's say 3 seconds, and we get the next exercise that is to be performed. So let's again press done. Again we will get that take a break of 3 seconds. Yeah, we also have the previous and we also have the skip button. If we want to go and perform the previous exercise, we can do that. If you want to skip this exercise, we can skip it as well. So let's skip for this one. Again we take a break of 3 seconds and we move on to the next exercise. Over here let me press done, and we are pretty much coming to the next exercise. Okay, so this is the basic workflow of the application. So now if I go back to the previous screen, yeah, so we have the tick mark button for the exercises that we have completed. So actually we had skipped the incline push-ups. So for that, it doesn't contain the tick mark button. And if I go back to the initial screen, we are pretty much calculating the number of workouts, the calories, and the amount of that is the time, that is the minutes that we did the workout. So this is pretty much like I just did a bit of decent research and then done implemented this. So of course, like different type of exercises burn different amount of calories, like, but I've taken the average amount and then calculated all this data. So talking about the persistence, it of course doesn't have the persistence because of not using any kind of local storage or any kind of backend. So if in case if I make a version 2 of the application in the future, for sure I would include the local storage as well as or the database, and then make this look pretty persistent. So in this video, in this project, we'll be implementing this much. Yeah, I think that's it. Let's see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.